Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by charging and positioning the devices. This prevents interruptions. Once done, turn on the Apple Watch and open the Watch app on your iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. Hold the watch close, then tap Pair New Watch and center the animation in your iPhone camera. This establishes a secure connection and exchanges essential settings automatically. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID so health, messages, and backups sync. Take a moment to choose wrist and language preferences before continuing. Once paired, you configure how the watch behaves and why those choices matter. Enable wrist detection for safety and accurate heart data, and set a passcode to protect payments and health info. Make decisions about app installation. Automatic installs let favorites mirror your iPhone, while manual keeps things tidy. Customize watch faces and complications to surface the info you use most. This reduces taps later. Adjust notification settings so only essential alerts come through. This preserves battery life and minimizes distraction. You finish by syncing and learning recovery steps. Open health and activity to confirm data flows. Give large apps time to download. If syncing stalls, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth. This often clears transient glitches. Make sure software is current. Updates fix many bugs. If problems persist, unpairing and repairing will reset the connection, but back up your iPhone first since the watch backup is stored there. One tip: check iCloud and Apple ID status if backups or restores fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.